I'm going to show you how you can access and use the 3D printer on inZOI. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically the 3D printer will allow you to upload files or images from your computer. So those can be images of something in real life. You can use your camera and take a photo or something and upload it directly onto inZOI. So for example, I have this food right here. This was a pixel art I did, and I had that image on my computer, so I decided to upload it into the game by using the 3D printer. So as you can see, it has physics and it works just like any furniture or item you can get in the game. So to access the 3D printer, you need to go to the build mode at the bottom right of the screen, and this will pop up. So you need to go to the craft category and you will see the 3D printer. Right here you will see all the furniture that you have done with the 3D printer. In my case, I have it right here. I can put it in my inventory. I can do anything, basically the same thing that I could do with any furniture in the game. So I'm gonna delete it, for example, and then you will see the 3D printer. You can click right here and you will see this option to upload a photo to convert it into a 3D object. So basically all you need to do is click right here and upload the image, and after a few minutes you will have your item ready. So in my case, I'm not going to do it because it will take some minutes, but that's basically the process. There are some suggestions right here. As you can see, 2D objects like animation characters might be difficult to capture sometimes. So in that case, in the item I did, it was a 2D object. It was a pixel art. So that's why it was looking kinda weird. But if you upload a 3D object, it should work fine. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.